So in this display we're showing how we can connect to multiple different sensors, showing the open architecture of our package solution, how we can collect that into our software, display that in a simple dashboard. In this case we're showing how we're monitoring multiple medias from air consumption, steam, hot water, soft water. We can start to look at the trends that are involved in that process and see if there's any consumption issues, whether that's like leakage, for instance, which is costing us money. That's residing inside of our edge device, which is sitting in the cabinet here. But then we can take that data and those insights and put that into a customer's cloud, a historian, whether that be in the cloud or at a facility. It's a really flexible, very open approach to how we can help customers get that data from the various different sensors or existing pieces of equipment. So this demo is showing how we can affect and track OEE just by looking at simple things like pneumatics and how we've integrated sensors into this demo to capture information, and how this can change your OEE efficiency by adding leakage and understanding if the cylinder's not working at the performance that it should be. That could affect your overall performance of your equipment, which will affect your OEE. This software at the back is based on Movicon, which is a complete suite of product which allows you to capture data from multiple sensors, from multiple PLCs, existing equipment, be able to analyze that data at the edge, be able to create dashboards, be able to look at that from a facility level as well as an individual equipment level. This is our Movicon demo. This is taking a lot of the data that we've captured into our edge devices, taking that data, doing analytics, and then enabling us to use our Movicon full SCADA visualization software to provide not only an overview of this assembly line, for instance, but also to drill down further into the machine, understand elements of the machine that they may need some attention from maintenance, some trending of all the different components within that machine. And obviously, while we've got that data, we can start to build a really accurate level of OEE calculation for that piece of equipment and overall of my facility as well. So not only OEE is a big crucial conversation with our customers today, but also sustainability, monitoring of energy, monitoring of all the consumables that are used in their processes. And again, we are able to provide insights into what is going on with those consumables, if there is extra usage of those consumables, whether it be air, compressed air, water, natural gas. This demo is from our facility in Lapsen, Germany, and this is live data showing the actual usage of, again, gas, air, water, electrical energy. And this is how we use our tools internally at Emerson to track our sustainability goals and our energy usage. We're looking at the compressed air side as well, so really understanding how that compressed air is being used, using our AF2 sensors, for instance, to understand if there's any leakages, really drilling down into data about water, gas usage, and again, compressed air.